Today in this video I am going to show you how to install HP Deskjet F4500 series printer driver on a Windows computer. This is the main series driver, so it will work with its derivative printers like F4520 or F4530 model numbers. So don't get confused with them. The main series driver will work with all its derivative printers as well. So please come on the screen. We will show you which driver you will require, where you can download it from, and how to install it. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below, or you can download this driver from its official website as well. Both are the same drivers. So after that, you just need to double click on that to execute the installation wizard. After that, it will start extracting the drivers, so please wait for that. After extraction, it will start the installation wizard, so please wait for that. Here you will have to click on install, and it is preparing the installation process, so please wait for that. Click on next. Check this box and then click on next again. It is checking the system information and preparing the setup file. It is asking to restart the computer, so you will have to restart it. Click on restart. After restart, you need to click on next. Check this box and click on next again. Click on next again. Now it is start installing the software and drivers, so please wait for that. Click on close. Now choose the preferred connection type, USB or Wi-Fi, or click on next. Now please connect the USB cable of your printer to the computer and make sure the printer is turned on. The printer has been installed successfully, so please click on finish. Click on close. Let's check whether the printer has been installed or not. Click on start menu and settings. Click on devices and click on printer and scanners from the left side pane and check into the printer page. This is the one. As you can see, the HP Deskjet F4500 printer has been installed successfully. So this was the full feature driver, how you can install the full feature driver on your computer. If the full feature driver doesn't work, then I will tell you how to install it manually using its basic driver. So there is another method to install it. So please come on the screen and follow the steps. This is the driver that will be required while installing the printer manually. So you can download this driver from the video description below, or you can download it from its official website. After download, you just need to right click on that and extract all the files into a folder, and it will create a folder on your desktop or on the same location where you have downloaded the file, and open it up. You will get all the driver INF files. So you just need to close the folder and remember the location of this folder, because we will use it later when we install it manually. So let's start installing the printer. Click on start menu and click on settings. Click on devices and then click on printer and scanners and click on the plus icon on the top and after that click on the link. It will be appear. The printer that I want is not listed, and choose the last option, add a local printer, and click on next, and then choose the port. I recommend you to choose USB 001 port and click on next. Click on have disk and click on browse, and go to the location where we have extracted the driver files, this one, and choose the HP zip R13 and click on open, then click on OK. This is the driver file. Click on select that and click on next. Click on next again. It is installing the driver, so please wait here. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and click on next. Click on finish. The printer has been installed successfully. Check in the printers page. As you can see, the printer has been installed. So this is how you can install this printer manually on your computer using its basic driver. So we have explained both of the ways, the full feature driver and the basic driver. So I have given lots of efforts to make this video. Please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.